Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good day worldwide and nationwide again. So look, my Christmas tree that Sisi, Madam and Sir, they fixed it yesterday. And now it's almost 10 minutes to 5 a.m. I'm start already. I fix everything na, and now I go to the kitchen to start cooking. And okay. So now I'm turning hair around first to look the afternoon, to the afternoon, to the morning AM, to the morning time. Ay nako, sometimes I get mistake na if I'm talk. That's it. That is the result maybe of the old. Old na po yung, on the another side, the decoration for the Christmas, the ring, and another side also is the stars. Okay, ayan ang peaceful pa. Same as usual, all cars na hair, it's very clean already because the mga cleaner also everyday they are doing there because finish work na in this side. Kaya look ko, grabe, all occupied na for the residential cars. O, ayun yung stars. So, ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Dito to sa harap ng dining namin na building. Doon. Okay. So now it's almost 5 na maybe. So I fix na. Sana yung Christmas tree. Wala pang stars. The stars is not yet finished. It's always lit. The stars is always lit. Of my Christmas, of the Christmas tree of Sisi. Ayan. Okay. I didn't make on the light here. I make budget the light also. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. I say good morning. I say good morning for my Christmas tree. Even it's not yet finished, diba? Hello. Hello, it's cold na. Talagang cold na. Mararamdaman na. You can feel already the cold. And it's already December. It's winter time na talaga. Because here in the inside of the unit is you can feel na the cold. Me, Ade, what I wear only, that's what I have. It's not, it's just necessary. Okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, yan yung Christmas tree. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so I go to the kitchen to start. Ang Arkeli is always ready. Okay, so now I'm here. And this one is the sweet of Madam. So to some of Iraqi or Baghdad, here in Baghdad people, if you like this sweet, you can find or you can search or you can call this one, I don't know which one. You can search that one in the goggles. I bought the street here in Baghdad where they belong. Okay, very nice that one. It's drink chai and coffee. It's good. So now I prepare already to the kitchen. Okay, Ila. Bye bye. No, look my kitchen. Always I let you to see what is my kitchen here early in the morning. Look my pamunas. Ay, ginatulog ng pamunas. Now I make for the lunch box of Sisi. I boil how I make fried that one. And now the boiled. I make boiled the egg later. Okay. So thank you. Thank you again for watching. Shout out. Shout out to all nationwide and worldwide. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to subscribe of my simple YouTube channel. And thank you. Shout out, shout out, shout out all nationwide and worldwide. And thank you again to support in my YouTube channel, and I wish also that you can support me and subscribe to my own videos, to watch to my own videos, and to support to my YouTube channel. I wish that you are watching, that you are watching all of my videos. I wish that you subscribe also to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that is the best gift given from me, given to my YouTuber, to support my videos, to support my videos. I'm very sorry because I'm working already. It's not easy also to talk if you are working. Wash your hands. Kasi meron tayo ng sausage, sabon. That's what I have here. So thank you again. Shout out all subscriber of mine. Keep safe lagi, nationwide and worldwide, to all of us. Keep safe, keep safe. God bless us all. Just a minute. Pasensya na. Kaya nag-umpisa natin saglit. Ito yung mga natin. Ito pala yan, hinahanap pala. Nag-init pa tayo ng ano. Tinatakpan ko kasi nga ang langaw, nakupo. The mosquitoes, the flies. It's moving and turning around of my, what's that? All the stuff that what I have. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you. Ayan na yung sausage ni Sisi sa breakfast niya. Lagyan ko na lang yan mamaya ng sarap yung ano, if what you want. And the banana milk. And I will cover kasi nga yung mga we have alaga dito na flies. Hindi ko ma-remove. Yan ko lang sa cheese. Asa na yung cheese? Cheese. Ayan. Yung prutas nandoon, nilalagay ko yung prutas. Mamaya pa sa sa apple, okay? So thank you again. And God bless us all. And bye. Nangangamoy na yung ano ko. Okay. Yan na. Ito dapat tinakpan ko lang mamaya ko yan. Ililinis muna. Okay, once again, thank you. Hindi na iayos-ayos yung pagsasalita ko. You talk well. Because I'm working little bit so now as in. Thank you for the nationwide, worldwide to subscribe. You subscribe my YouTube channel, and I wish also that all that you are watching of my YouTube channel, of my videos, you can subscribe me, and if you like, and to share with your friends or with your cousin, relatives, or it depends of you, okay? And God bless us all. Happy Tuesday to everyone, to all of us in the different countries, same as usual, different time, and different day, may madaling araw siguro rin, same as usual pa rin nga. Okay, Ella, and bye-bye. God bless us all.